So yeah, there's a helicopter landing in my little park. That is absolutely crazy. I mean, it looks kind of cool though. This is so weird. Oh my god. What do you think about this, Custard? Nothing? There's something you don't see every day. You know, you never think how big these things are, but in person it's pretty big. So it's nothing bad. It's something to do with the fire department and letting kids see a helicopter. So this is a University Hospital's helicopter. I wanted you to see the scope of the size of it. Like there's the tail. It's huge. And it's the fire department is putting something on for the neighborhood kids. I love my neighborhood. You see, this is what a community should look like. There's an awful lot of smiling, nice people in there. Kids playing together, community outreach,